Welcome back to our video tutorial on our channel, and we are committed to give you the content, the education content. We are YegoBox. We are a software development company. We develop software for our client and for ourselves. So today we are going to start learning Kotlin programming language, and if you don't know how to install Kotlin on your window or any of our machine you are using, please let me know. So I have already done installation of Kotlin to my window machine. Now I'm able to compile the Kotlin code so that I can see the result. So today we're going to learn Kotlin, and the first thing you need to do when you learn the programming language is to run the hello world. So now here we have the function, which is the hello world. And this is the basic, like if you can run this program here, so you are ready to go and learn our YouTube course. And if you don't know, please suggest me to show you how I have done it, how I have managed to learn Kotlin on my window. So now, I assume you know now. So let me try to compare the Kotlin code with the Java code. So basically, Kotlin is the same. It was built to interpret with Java. So what do I mean by that? Well, I mean that the same Java code you have here, if you can simply convert them into Kotlin, and it's going to work 100%. So that is the benefit of Kotlin. It was built to work, with Java. It's not going to replace it, but just make life a little bit easier. So, do you need to know Java? Absolutely not. Will knowing the Java be the advantage to you? Yes, because like if you know Java, then it's very easy for you to take the knowledge from the Java and go to the Kotlin. So nowadays, every Android SDK is now in a Kotlin. Everyone is moving to Kotlin. The Flutter now use Java and Kotlin, but when you see the trend and how Google is moving away from Java, it's very clear that soon Java will not be much of the concern. So I think it's just pretty much understandable to now start learning the Kotlin and see where things go. So I have now the class. You can see the first benefit, and I think this is what people used to believe, and it's still the case, I guess, is that the Kotlin code are much more smaller than the Java one. If you see the hello world here from the Java side and you see the hello world from the Kotlin code, you can see we have 3 lines of code in Kotlin, and in Java we have now many lines of codes. You need to define a class, you need to go define the method, and you need to do whatever you want inside that. So that is the best way. And another thing is like modern language. Kotlin is static typed language, meaning that everything has a type and is check this type if it is adhering to your type you've defined. And this is a good thing for programmers because it reduces the chance of getting the null variable defined in your projects. And I think if you're a Java developer, you know what we call null pointer, which used to happen a lot and it caused a lot of trouble in when people writing the program and cause a lot of application crashes. And with Kotlin, that case can happen, but it's just the chance of getting that scenario is very low because when they have designed Kotlin, they planned for that so that it's strongly typed. So let me learn the example. So I right click in my VS Code editor, then hit learn the code. and it's going to compile the code back to Java, because as I said, Kotlin, take your Kotlin code, convert them to Java, and we can see our hello world here is compiling very well. So I hope we covered the benefit of Kotlin and how you can learn the hello world in VS Code. And if you have any question, please you can join our WhatsApp private group. You can request to join, and I'll be happy to approve you and continue this community where we make sure that everyone is involved. You can join our WhatsApp private group, or you can join our Facebook private group. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe if you haven't. See you.